Hi everyone, this is Jenny from JENNAE'S DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to do the beak of the unicorn owl. As you see here, I did it with a bigger hook and 2 strands of yarn because I'm showing you how the stitches look. Okay, so for this you will need yarn, the yarn size that you desired, a hook, and some scissors. And it's really easy. Okay, let me get started. Let me put this on the side. So first you start with a slip knot, and this is how I do it. And there you had your first chain, and this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you will need 5 chains. Now we're gonna be working not on this loops, we're gonna be working on the back loops of the chain. Okay, so we're gonna skip 1, 2, the first 2, and we're gonna work in the back loop of the third one, and we're gonna do a half double crochet. That means that we're gonna wrap the yarn and we're gonna look for the third back loop of the chain. This is 1, 2, 3, so we're going to the third one, and this works like everything else. We pull the loop, now we have 3, and then we pull through all the 3 of them. Now we're gonna do a double crochet on the next back loop, and as you see, I pull it. And for double crochet, remember we pulled through the first 2, then the other 2, and we're going for the last one. Wrap the yarn. This is gonna be our back loop for the last one. We pull it, then we have 3. Remember, it's a double crochet. We pull through 2, we pull through 2, and there is your beak. Now for closing, we do chain 1, and that's it. And then you cut the yarn here, and there you have it. This is your beak. Okay, remember to hit subscribe button, hit the little bell on the side so that you can get notifications when I upload any other video, and hit the like button. I would love to see your comments below, and see you on the next one. Bye.